This is how I curl my hair. Determine how you like to part your hair, on the side or down the middle. Apply your heat protectant spray and brush your hair out evenly. Starting with one half of your head, we're gonna go ahead and make vertical sections, starting from the top of the head, meeting at your ear. Take one of the two pieces and again divide that in half vertically. We are now ready to curl the first section of hair located at the back of your head. Take your 1.5 inch curling iron and start to apply that to the middle section of your hair, curling away from your face. Curl away from the face and create tension in the hair. Open your clamp slightly and slide downwards. Then curl again. Slide and curl. Slide and curl. Continue this motion and remember to leave the ends of your hair out. By consistently rotating, we are preventing any excess heat damage. I intended to leave the tips of my hair out to expose it to heat for the least amount of time possible. Now release your hair from your curling iron and let it cool down. Ta-da! Look how cute it looks! Now we're gonna repeat the same steps. Now that we're almost done curling our hair, please remember to turn off your curling iron. Finish off with your favorite hair serum to add shine. I like to use my fingers to break up my waves to make sure everything is nice and blended in. Ta-da! And that is our final look today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tag me so I can see your beautiful hair.